Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm joined today with Rebecca Monge in studio. How are you?
Great. Thanks for having me.
You are like the queen of Fallbrook. So anytime that you come in, I know you're going to show me something incredible that's going to be a rare find.
Well, today is a very special day for sure. This home is astoundingly beautiful. I mean,
oh yeah.
From the moment I walk, it's perfect. One of the things you'll see outside, the care and thought that have been put into this landscaping, I can't even tell you. Every single tree and plant and flower is special and unique and designed for the color and the height and everything. This is the back of the house, and this is astounding. It's a 95-foot Trex deck that goes from one end to the other end. It's on the south side of the home. It looks out on the most beautiful, like, green meadow with ancient oak trees. It is, you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, you just really feel surrounded by privacy, tranquility. There's so many different seating areas. I mean, amazing entertaining for sure.
Well, and then you come into this kitchen.
It's astounding.
Appetizers galore on that island.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Everything is high end. That is cherry wood. It is stunning. It is an enormous island, obviously like a snack bar kind of island. You can sit there. You see it's open to dining and the family room there with a beautiful fireplace. And straight across, if you see through that opening, is more of a formal dining room. I mean, look at this. When I first came to this home, I felt like I was stepping into a resort, like Hilton Head or something. Just the weight and quality of everything. The huge high ceilings. Oh, this is beautiful. That other room they have set up as a beautiful, elegant dining room. And that opens onto the living room. This one with the other fireplace, two enormous gas fireplaces. That's beautiful travertine flooring. You see the crown molding, the can lighting everywhere. This is the master.
What an elegant home.
Oh, this master is like a dream. There's all different settings for those lightings. There's mood lighting that can go around the top. Obviously, another way to step out on that amazing deck, and just the colors. And this bathroom, this is the master, and it's like something out of a spa.
I'm feeling very like presidential vibes with this home.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And that bathtub, it has a button. You push the button, and the entire bathtub heats up. So when you lean back, once you've got hot water, you know, you're not leaning back against a cold tub. And his and hers closets, a walk-in shower. The other bedrooms are ensuite with their own bathrooms. There's a parlor area that would be a perfect designated office. Could be another bedroom, could be a den, could be anything. There's an amazing laundry room, which is more than a laundry room. She uses it as a craft area as well. That's a 3-car garage with epoxy flooring, beautiful cabinetry. There is too much to tell. This home is stunning, and it is in Tecolote Oaks, which is in the Pala Mesa community. It is a gated community with only 11 homes behind the gate.
Wow.
Yeah, so very private, very peaceful, very elegant, and yet super close to everything. I mean, you're right near the Pala Mesa Golf Course. You're right by the Pala Mesa Resort for fine dining, you know, minutes to Fallbrook for restaurants, and just a minute to the Freeway. So this home is truly amazing.
Oh my gosh. And I know that you are Fallbrook's biggest fan. There is
That's
so
why
many
I live there.
There are so many amazing things that Fallbrook has going on. Like the community vibe that is up there, you can't find anywhere else in San Diego.
Right. It's very, you know, small town community. Everybody knows each other. There's tons of fun stuff always happening. It's a great place to live.
A great place to live. And if somebody's interested in learning more about Fallbrook, you're like the perfect person to call.
Well, I love it.
I know you do, and I'm obsessed with this home.
It's amazing, and we're available for private showings.
I love it.
You know, they can call me. It's very easy to schedule a private showing.
4047 Millagra?
Yes.
Millagra Drive in Fallbrook. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 3,200 square feet. This home
on 1.68 acres.
1.68 acres, single level inside a gated community, 3-car garage, epoxy floored. There is nothing this home is lacking.
That's right.
Nothing at all. If you would like a private tour of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in the Fallbrook area, reach out to Rebecca or Alysha. Their information is on the screen. Thanks for bringing this hot home on Listed Life today, Rebecca.
Thanks for having me.